Hey, what's happening, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. I just want to come and update you a bit about what I've been doing. I've been just really busy with RAOA and also private label. I had a lot of product that I really needed to make sure that I launched them correctly, reordering, and I had a lot of things that I wanted to do, and hopefully we did it. So website, enhanced brand content, regular images, and all this stuff. But anyways, today what I want to talk to you about, guys, about what I've been doing with Retail and Online Arbitrage. I've been a little bit slacking off. I was sourcing, but I wasn't shipping. So I want to show you a few things that you need to take care of right away, which is a really good lead. You need to stay tuned a little bit, and I'll show you to you what's up. It's actually really good thing that you need to do. But what I've been doing with the storage, and you'll see how much crap we have. I'll show you right now. Okay, this is all the stuff that we have to take care of. All these products that I was just purchasing, and it haven't been done yet. If you see these, all the stuff here, all the stuff with wrestling, A&W, whatever. I'm really, because they say there's a documentary coming up about them, so I wanted to make sure that I really have some of them. So the documentary coming about AEW, this stuff, I don't know if you can see it or not, but AEW, these are the stuff that really they say is going to be good. So I'm just getting some of them, making sure that I have enough. And also, as you know, Legos and all the stuff that comes with it. But also here, if you see, I have a lot of regular toys that I need to make sure I take care of, which is great. I'm very happy that we have enough stock. We have a lot of stock, and we're still maintaining. I think I have 380 or something like that SKUs. So we're actually building very well. So all the money that I get from the beginning, I was just putting back in. So you can imagine, I started with like 100, 200, then I build it up, then all the money comes in, I put it. So we still have a lot of SKUs here, all the SKUs that you see them, plus the 380 that we have there. So it's compound effect. It's compound, just accumulating. So which is really great. So hopefully, what my aim is, hopefully, and if everything goes well, by Christmas, and I know it's too far, I know we're still in April, but I'm thinking about Christmas as well. Okay, now we're making good money here and there. The sales slow down this month, the mid-March until now. It's really slow for Retail and Arbitrage, but was good for me in toys, in private label. Supplement was steady, but there's arts and crafts is getting hit a bit. You have Retail and Arbitrage also a little bit slowing. I think due to people are going back to work, going out, nice summer. They're trying, maybe they purchase a lot. So, but anyways, either or, don't slow down. Just keep buying things. So I just keep buying stuff are really good. So how to compact the fact that you have a very, let's say, slower season. So what do you need to do? You need to go ahead and buy a seasonal product. And that's what I want to do. So I bought a lot of some kind of seasonal product, and I'm in a hunt for seasonal products. So anything related to summer, anything related to spring, especially summer, that's what I'm into it a lot. Anything about pools, anything about going out, playing soccer, anything for outdoor activities, go ahead and try to purchase them from now. And if you go ahead and see the aisles in your Walmart and you see them that a lot of them are empty in a specific section, that means that you need to take care of. Gardening, that's another one. So all the stuff that you need to make sure that you're really doing well. But let's get back to it, and I'm going to show you what I was picking up for the past 2 days. I mean, it's supposed to be a day off because the kids are not home, and me and my wife were just going out trying to enjoy ourselves like an old people. But it is what it is. So let me show you all this, and also what I did here. I'm bringing those shelves. So I did all the shelves now. Let me see. All the shelves. Each one of them is going to have a specific use. So one of them is going to be for returns. One of them is going to be for seasonal. Like if I have anything for Christmas, whatever stuff, I'm going to leave it in one place, for example. One place for that. A second place for stuff that I have overstock. Like for example, if I buy a lot of things, sometimes I get a good deals from our closeouts, whatever. I'm going to put one only for closeouts, or the stuff that I have more than 50 or 100 units. So because I don't want to ship them all, because you're gonna get dinged with storage storage fees with Amazon. So all the stuff that you see here, some of them are also from Christmas. I had multiple of them, and I kept them. Was a good price, so I know they're gonna be moving. So, but these all the stuff that I have. But let me come now and show you what you need to do and the things that you need to look for. So all the stuff that I had in the car, they're actually here. So I cannot believe this car took that much. All this from the trunk. Where's the trunk? Trunk is here. Trunk is here. Okay, and some in the back was. But this is what I'm looking for, guys. Stuff like that. This stuff like this, Intex especially, is very, very good brand. It's really good things, so you need to look for stuff like that. If you see here, I stocked up maybe 100 of them. They're very cheap. They go for $10 for me. I think $10, babe? Yeah, $10, and you'll be able to sell them for 29 to 39 now. So imagine summer was gonna happen, and they're all everywhere I go. Walmart, they're not there. So I picked up almost 100 of them. And also the other thing that I found is this thing, that Intex as well. So anything with Intex is very good. Go ahead and do it. Also, this $5, I doubled my money, and we're good to go. So that's what I did. And also I picked up a few things, like as you see here, all the stuff. But the thing that you need to look at, as I said, pool stuff. And also if you find pools, real pools, inflatable pools, go ahead and buy them if they're Intex, because the price goes really high during summer. Now it's a little bit nice weather, it's not that hot, not maybe a pool weather yet, but once it hits, everything is going to go out, because even now when I go out, it's out. So I just want to come out and update you with what we've been doing. And we're still doing our AOA, if you guys see. So what I say, I do. I don't go ahead and just, oh, look at me, go ahead and teach you. No, whatever I teach you, I do. I don't play around. And I'm still maintaining everything that I do, because I believe in that. I believe in that business model, and I know the growth is there, and that's what you need to do. So private label, retail and arbitrage, and online arbitrage, and I hope the leads are really doing well with you guys. And also, what I'm doing is in July, hopefully, I'm going to start the wholesale again to make sure I diversify. But it's a lot of cash flow intensive. My private label, I'm adding multiple products. I'm putting a lot of money here with retail and arbitrage. So I need to make sure that I have enough cash flow that really sustain me until Q4. Because if Q4 I need 3 to 5 times the amount of products, that means I need 3 to 5 times the amount of cash. And that's where you need to make sure that you have it. So don't rush things, do them slowly, but step by step you'll be able to make it. So guys, I hope that was a good update for you. I hope that was a good tip for you guys to take, and go ahead and make your money, and don't let anybody make you believe that, oh my God, you're always working. Go make your money, have fun, get your family involved, so all of you can do something really good and help each other. So guys, thank you so much, and please leave your comment at the bottom. And if that was on YouTube, subscribe, hit the like button if you want to see more videos like that. So take care, everybody.